Oh, I screwed up. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I'm out here with my son Kevin, riding in the desert mess out here on the 300Ls in the sand and rocks. Kind of a little bit of everything. You got real super extreme rocky, then you got extreme sandy, and then you got hard packed dirt, which is nice. And I'm not used to it. It's a big bowl. Yeah, it wouldn't be so bad if that other one wasn't on the other side of it.
Yeah,
make you bottom out big time.
Cased it a little bit.
Kind of goes this way, the big one. Of course, in that sand, boy, you go down easy in this.
I mean, if you was going fast enough, you could double that little sucker.
Whew.
I sent that sucker.
I seen that.
Holy crap.
In my mirror. I don't know if I got it on video, but I seen it in my mirror.
I don't know.
Which way do we go here? This way. Left and then right.
Right here.
I think.
Oh yeah, both turns.
Oh
yeah, this looks like that part that comes out by the other road.
Yeah, little trails everywhere.
Yeah, and then there's a little hill climb back there.
I think that's where we go.
Alright, I was about to say, I think so. It looked like that's where you were trying to point us.
Yeah.
Because I think this is the way that goes up toward that other gate, ain't it?
Yeah. The left side looks the best. Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah, it is. That's a fun little climb right there.
Oh,
I
screwed up. I'm not hurt, but I
know.
I got sideways cross-rutted right there.
Yeah, I figured that's what you did. As soon as you were coming up, I seen your bike kind of flip over this way. I was like, oh no.
Hit a rock and it bounced that sucker sideways.
I knew what that top looked like. Yeah, that's why I was trying to avoid at all costs to hit any rocks.
I tried to stay left like you did. I suck. Gee whiz.
Well, you got to think though, Dad, too. You've been hurt for like 2 months. Plus, most of your ride time has been on other bikes as well. I have like, all my ride time has been on just this bike.
Push down the first gear. Push that gear shift down. Okay.
There you go.
Don't help, it's almost straight up and down here. I've been up that a dozen times. Never had a problem. Gosh.
Well, I mean, some stuff just happens. You hit a rock or hit one of those granule sand wrong way.
That's what happened. Sucked. Whew. Thank you. I am wore out. Whew.
All right. Three times in one day.
I know, I've been down three times.
Was they all on video?
Yeah.
My goodness, your channel's going to be racking up with views this week.
People like them crashes. Gosh almighty. I don't.
Fun for the viewers, not fun for the rider.
You gotta have hand guards on here.
Oh yeah. Yeah, the handguards are always a big plus.
Oh, no doubt.
Like even those flimsy ones like kind of stock on the dual sport, they still work way better than nothing.
Oh yeah. Whew.
Whew.
That was fun.
Whoa, hello.
Whew. Dang.
These them like wall rides are fun.
I'm staying down in the bottom of them like a sissy.
He said, I don't want to fall over no more.
I'm tired of falling over today. 3 times is enough. Luckily, they all been just casual, not extreme. But I'm not going extreme speed when it happens. Praise Jesus. Whew.
Saying, caught up with me.
Dust, boy. You made the dust through that spot.
These are nice trails through here, though.
Yeah, they are real nice. It's a fun place to play.
Yeah, it is. This would be a fun place to bring like an actual dirt bike and just come rip around up in here.
Yeah.
Like this would be a sweet place for a 125.
Right. Whoa. Dang, that's soft.
I almost got a little 2 balls right there. Man, this is my kind of place. Just corner after corner after corner. God dang. This is the place to be right here. It's like freaking heaven. It's just like bowl turn, bowl turn, bowl turn.
Yeah, it is. It's awesome.
Freaking awesome. All you need is like a little bit of a whoop section or something, or a roller section in between each one of these, and you'd be set for fun. Alright, which way are we going?
Right. Right.
Right?
Right, right, right. Oh, that was fun.
Oh yeah.
Even with a crash.
Or a few crashes.
No doubt. 3 crashes in one day. 3 tip overs, actually. Okay, God bless all of you guys. Thank you all for watching the channel. Click the thumbs up, subscribe down below. Click that bell icon. You'll be notified when the next video comes out. Appreciate every one of you. Look at the gate, Kevin. That's the gate that we always open. What in the world?
Yeah, I was about to say, don't we usually open that?
Somebody had to hit it from this way because it's bent around that way. Unless the wind hit it that hard and bent it around that tree.
I mean, actually, that could be a possibility.
My goodness.
Somebody leaving it open and the wind blew it.
Wow. Anyway, thank you all for watching. Click the thumbs up, subscribe down below. Catch y'all on the next adventure.
Bye.
Right on.